Welcome to the online class presented by Community AI on machine learning. Machine learning is one of the most exciting recent technologies. And in this class, you'll learn about the state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms and also gain practice implementing and deploying these algorithms yourself. Let's get started. So, what is machine learning? You probably have heard this term a lot, but you might not exactly know what it means. Don't worry, I'll explain it to you. Machine learning is the art of using statistics to find patterns in massive amounts of data. And data here can be presented in a lot of ways. It can be presented using numbers, words, images, and anything you can think of that can be digitally stored. If it can be digitally stored, it can be fed into a machine learning algorithm. Machine learning is the process that powers many of the services we use today. It powers recommendation systems like those on Netflix, YouTube, or Spotify, search engines like those on Google and Bing, social media feeds like Facebook and Twitter, and voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. The list goes on. To summarize, machine learning is the science of getting computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. Now, let's talk about the things we're going to do during this course. So first, we will predict the weather using previous weather data. And then we're going to create a diagnostic tool for cancer prediction. And then we're going to detect insurance fraud with past historical data of fraudulent claims. And finally, we're going to do movie recommendations. In the next lesson, we're going to do linear regression. I hope to see you there. Thank you and bye.